So you can see we got major runs. Hey guys, in today's episode, we're gonna be shooting with the GoPro. Not sure if I'm in focus or not, but we're gonna try it out. I got this for Christmas year before last. Never really used it, so we're gonna give it a shot and see if we can't use it to do some Bronco stuff. Don't know if you saw, but I got my garage pretty well cleaned. Looks a lot nicer. I actually walked through my door now. Got stuff needs to go to eBay, and a bunch of stuff over there is going to Goodwill. But kind of happy. Actually got room now to do some stuff. But anyways, I think today what we're gonna do is get on the pan. I said pan the transmission tunnel, and kind of work our way, turn back around, up it. We already got that done, so I think we're gonna paint tonight. Got a little bit more right there to do, and I think up there is okay, and right here I think will be all right too. So basically what we're gonna do is get the rest of that taken care of, paint all the metal, and paint up underneath here. If we've got any more time, I may paint that kick panel over there, backside of it. Like I said, it's not that cold out here today, so I think painting it will be okay. If you haven't seen my truck, it's another one of our projects we'll get to. We're gonna take that out and put a straight 6 in it, and then way back over there is a 65 Austin Healey that we'll get to eventually. But like I said previous, I want to get this running and driving soon. That way I have more room to put the Bronco, take the body off it, move it around. But anyways, hopefully this thing will set up and it won't go black on me, because the screen turns off and it makes me nervous. I figure it's not recording. But anyways, I'll set you up and we'll knock this little piece out here, paint, and call it a day. So let's get to work. Well, certainly not my best work. As you can see, we got major runs on top here. Doesn't look so bad. And we got runs all the way up through there too. But we did get this painted, which I feel better about it now. I missed a spot right there. I'll come back and touch that up later. But other than the runs, I don't think it turned out too bad. Probably I'm gonna come in here with some sandpaper, try to get those out, and maybe put white coat over it. Same with these up here. But I think it turned out all right. I think it'll look good. At least it'll be one color. Need to paint the upper. It's not the upper transmission tunnel, but that up there. And clean off and paint it. Might do that when I paint that kick panel over there, and the rest of that little top portion there. Yeah. You can see I have to go through here and sand. Ugh. Oh well. At least it's painted. Sorry about the short video tonight. Just want to get some paint down and get the rest of that kind of sanded off. I think next time we'll try to fit the kick panel, get it back up there, and maybe mess with the door pillar a little bit and get the outer rocker. We might bump it up a little bit and get it lined up. What I mean by bump it up is we'll put it on and adjust it to where the pillar sits and the door fitment will be don't know what I'm trying to say. What you need to do is get the kick panel in, door pillar, and then we'll put the door in here, rough fit it, hook it on the latch over there, and that way we can put the outer rocker where it needs to be in order to get our gaps. But I do think the A-pillar here is going to give us fits. So probably do that, and then we might put the fender on as well. And once we get that on, we can, I need to spray this black. Anyways, kind of rambling on here, but yeah, next time I'll probably start trying to fit stuff. We'll put the kick panel back where it's supposed to be, and then we'll try to fit the door to it and everything else. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. See y'all next time.